Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will be showing you how to build and run your script in Visual Studio Code. First of all guys, we will start with getting Visual Studio Code. So it is pretty simple. Go to your browser, any kind of browsers, and then go to the visualstudio.com. Make sure that the logo is blue and the website name is Visual Studio Code. After that, all you need to do is download for Windows from here, or else if you have any other system or operation system, you can just click on this arrow. So here we go, and here you'll find Mac OS, Windows, Linux, and all the ways to install them and other ways to install them as well. Else you can just open it in your web browser. And there's no difference actually between the web browser and the application, so they are the same as you can see. So here we go, extensions. So basically they are completely the same if we came here. So now after we finish with all of that, let me show you how to build actually and run your simple script. Now go to your Visual Studio Code and then search for example for the language that you will start coding with. For example for me, Python. Here we go. So now I have already installed it, but for you, you can just install it from here. After that, let's go to File, New Text File, and then here you can select the language, which is Python, and then let's put the code. So let's make this a simple one. It equals um, hello world, something like that. All right, and here let's print A, for example. And basically what you need to do is actually go to here to debug, run in debug, and here run in debug, save, and then as you can see here it is run hello world. So yeah guys, that's how you can actually build your script in Visual Studio Code and run it. So basically you only need to create a file, put your script, and then go to run in debug and run your code, and it will be running in the terminal section. So guys, that was it for today's video. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and thank you guys for watching.